Hey y'all, it's the Buggy Show. Y'all see my baby dad over there? He finna get all this food together for me. Show him what's in that bag, Steve. Look, y'all. Ah, look at that snow crab. Look at that snow crab. Yeah, I got a whole bag of them too. I got a whole bag of them. Yep, y'all, we ordered them. Come on, but you in the light. I ordered them, y'all, off of Amazon. So, yep, and then he got the king crab going on over here. We got the corn. And we got the
crab.
Give it to Kiki back.
They making hot noodles.
And we got crawfish. Oh, and we doing the hot noodle challenge at the end of the day. So y'all, he finna do it up in what you call this cooker, Steve?
Steamer.
Well, we finna try to steam this food today, y'all. We finna see how it works.
That's new.
Yeah, that's new. So he still don't got all his ingredients out, but hey, y'all know it all come with that and that blove sauce, cause he ain't got the blove pack up there either, y'all. We got that blove sauce on deck. What he doing with it? What the blove sauce at on deck?
Mama, let me see. That's for the phone or a tablet or something. It's for a tablet. It's for a phone though. It's too big. Dada, we got burritos.
Okay.
Dada.
I said okay.
Put that in there.
Oh, we ain't even one pack though, Steve. I got the camera on me. We ain't even one pack though, but we got that blove sauce on deck. I want to show y'all that blove sauce on deck. Don't put it in the refrigerator. But don't.
Mama, this hard.
Leave it there. Oh, yeah. Don't put it in the refrigerator. That's why it's getting hard. But all right, y'all. We're going to let him do his do. He finna get the cooking now. And we will return to see how far he done came.
Kyle, do you just rip this back?
All right, baby daddy. Knock yourself out.